Welcome, this is Carrie Schell from On Point Quilter. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you a very quick way to create a stunning Lone Star quilt using Electric Quilt 8. On the home screen, select New Project and label this one Quick Lone Star and select OK. We're going to first design a block from scratch, and we're going to do a new block pieced easy draw. And let's just set the snaps to 4x4 so it doesn't clutter up our screen. And under snapping options, just have snap to grid turned on. Select the grid tool and change the columns and rows to 6x6. And drag a grid from the upper left corner to the lower right corner. Go to the Color tab, and we're going to open the library, and we are going to go to the 2019 Fabrics of the Month and select the August collection from Andover called Roseberry Cottage. And we can select one of those fabrics, then say select all fabrics and add to sketchbook and close. Then use the paintbrush tool to color the block, and I used one color for each diagonal strip in this particular block. And then select Add to Project Sketchbook. Then select the quilt work table, and in the ribbon toolbar, scroll to the end and select Open Library. Under the EQ8 libraries, we want to go to Layouts by Style, and then select Stars. Select the first item under Stars, which is Stars 1, and select Edit to Quilt Work Table. Now I'm going to turn on Hide Show Quilt Patch Lines so I can see all of the blocks, and I'm going to select Set Block, find the block that I just did, and click on each of the star points. Then I will use the Rotate tool and rotate each of the blocks so that the gold is in the center. Then let's find some blocks for the setting pieces. So under Block Tools, we'll select Open Library, and we're going to go to the Classic Applique Crossing Designs and select the Peonies and select Add to Sketchbook and close. Now select Set Block and click on each of the setting spaces for the peony block. Now go to the Fabric Tools and use Swap Colors to recolor the setting blocks. Now let's go to the Border tab, and for border number 1, let's make that a 1/2 inch border. If the lock size adjustments are set to all, we can just type in 0.5. Then let's add another border, and let's make that a mitered. I can select that from the ribbon toolbar and change the number to 5 inch. And then let's add another border, and let's make that a 1/2 inch and make that a mitered as well. Select the Design tab and Fabric Tools and use the paintbrush to color the borders. Now select Hide Show Quilt Patch Lines, select Rotate Fabric, and click on two sides of the striped border. Then select Fussy Cut and move the striped border pieces so that the lines in the corners come together. And then select Add to Project Sketchbook. Thanks so much for watching. For additional tips and techniques, please subscribe to my weekly newsletter at www.onpointquilter.com.